Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Modern landscaping is refreshing geometric, clean lines and open spaces combined with sculpted detailing to create contemporary outdoor spaces. Wild, overgrown areas are also welcome as they rebel against more traditional manicured lawns. The key is putting it all together in a way that is original and eye-catching. While this challenge is very doable, an abundance of frilly garden containers and accessories makes modern landscaping tricky at times, especially when homeowners adopt a DIY approach. Often, the more simple contemporary version of basic such as pots and planters are on the expensive side, while mainstream affordable manufacturers lean towards the traditional ornamented and detailed. When getting started, the question is clear. How do you section and divide your yard to create compelling modern space? The possibilities are endless, and while this fact can be comforting to some, it is overwhelming to others. How do you design an entire lawn and garden in a stylish, purposeful way? Watch this video to get all your answers. Do not hesitate to bring in a landscape designer for this leg of the journey. There are plenty of other details that you can handle yourself, such as planters, edging, and sculpture elements. However, if you are DIY types and want to tackle the entire thing with the help of friends and family, or if you are looking for ideas to pass on to the experts, take inspiration from the design in this video. One of today's most popular modern landscape features involve outdoor grids, concrete grass, and other plants combined to create an interesting layout of squares and rectangles. Sometimes stone is a great unifiller. For a unique take on stepping stone pathway, divide your yard into a gravel and grass sections. Then connect them with a stone path to tie it all together. While planning where to place grass, gravel and stone is challenging, enough adding large plants presents new opportunity for landscaping. When it comes to seating, outdoor chairs and sofas must be both durable and comfortable in many modern spaces, especially the ones lack grass. The seating is an important centerpiece that adds interest. Friends, if you are enjoying these design and ideas on modern landscape designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that is going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can also check out our website interiordecordesigns.in. You can also download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. Perfect for contemporary property layout or as a welcome contrast against a more traditional home structure, the modern landscape is one of the strive for symmetry and balance above all. Unlike standard landscaping, which concerns itself primarily with flora and fauna, modern landscaping relies on additional components as well as wood and stone accents, minimalistic patios, streamlined walkways, and even metal implements all play a crucial part in modern outdoor design planning. In terms of material and ornaments, modern landscaping design favors the industrial over custom earthenware. Raw concrete or angular tiles are ideal. Rather than grouping one greenery in circular plots, plants are placed in geometrical schemes that guide the inhabitant in a straightforward, almost chessboard-like patterns as opposed to a more romantic flower-lined roundabout. The lawn itself is not the key player in modern landscaping. but is instead designed to flank and frame gravel-filled bed and path routes. When selecting certain plants and flowers for a modern yard, Asian varieties such as bamboo and boxwoods as well as fern and laurels offer elegance and simplicity and are relatively easy to maintain. Some may think of modern landscaping design for backyard or front yard as the work of a rigid heart or inorganic soul. On the contrary, it is the mark of a truly poetic man, the man who gives thought to his personal space and surrounding. The foundation of modern landscaping lies in philosophy and geometry. How do plant, furniture, and various walkways all fit together? Sometimes modern and contemporary design are confused. To make things even more complicated, back in 1950s and 1970s, mid-century modern design was referred to as contemporary. Nobody was aware of referenced the then current time as mid-century. If it wasn't ranch, colonial or Victorian, but it was new, then it was contemporary. Features in new modern landscape design vary, but here's what they are and are not. Firstly, the gardens complement and enhance the home architectural design. Continuity is good, repeating colors, textures, materials, and shapes. Lines of the gardens are clear, clean, and often echo those of the structure. Geometric shapes are emphasized. The design is clean and uncluttered. Color in furnishing walls and plants are bold and striking or monochrome. Use natural local materials, wood, stone, native plants. Include a water feature for aesthetics. Cottage gardens with fussy plants like roses do not go in modern landscape. This is not the space for rusted garden furniture or rocking chair turned into planters. Neatly organized line of stiff, sculptured plants are the norm in many contemporary landscapes, as though architect wants to impose minimalist structure of the building on the exterior spaces. Yet, this type of planting styles seem to utterly reject any relationship between the world and the home. There is no reason to feel stuck with rigid architectural plants. When your planting have a loose, alive appearance, they bring a less sense of playfulness, liveliness, and warmth. A sterile, lifeless appearance in common pitfall in modern design. There is an emphasis on the use of honest material, which is to say, they aren't pretending to be something they are not. For example, a simple concrete patio is more honest than is concrete that has been stamped and colored to look like flagstone. The natural color of concrete, steel, smooth stucco, and some type of stone have a cool appearance which can be inviting if overused. The obvious solution is to add color, but color can take you away from a modern aesthetics. A design comes together most fully when focal point furnishing and artful touches combine for a space that is customized and connected to the owner and the surroundings. However, adding personality without disrupting the minimalist aesthetics inherent in a contemporary styling can be a challenge. When in doubt, keep it simple. Picking out furniture that incorporates wood is always a safe way to add warmth. It's not going to go out of style. You have the option of adding color using cushions. But anytime you introduce color, it demands your attention and is going to be a focal point. While it's sometimes fun to follow trends, the lime green and orange cushions that are so popular in modern garden right now can easily overwhelm the design of a space. Instead, look to your planting palette for cues. Repeating a color found in an ornamental grass or flower is more personal to your landscape and won't be out of fashion next season. The liveliness of nature also elevates the elegance of simple design. Water features are sculptural elements in and of themselves. It is always believed to encourage clients to put fish in their water features to create an exciting ecosystem and introduce color and life. Native plants and pollinator attracting perennials also play a part in bringing balance and connection to a structured contemporary space. The season visits for hummingbird, butterflies and bubbling bees is a light-hearted addition to the garden which keep it from becoming static. As you can see, a modern garden has many elements, but it is not actually that hard to create a landscape that reflects your modern taste. And we suggest your home exterior should always reflect who you are, just like your interior does. Just remember to incorporate clean, straight lines, lots of geometry, stone path borders, and don't forget to add a little bit zen. Have you succeeded in creating your own garden landscape? Please share with us how you did it. Modern landscaping is refreshing geometric, clean lines and open spaces combined with sculpted detailing to create contemporary outdoor spaces. Wild, overgrown areas are also welcome as they rebel against more traditional manicured lawns. The key is putting it all together in a way that is original and eye-catching. While this challenge is very doable, an abundance of frilly garden containers and accessories makes modern landscaping tricky at times, especially when homeowners adopt a DIY approach. Often, the more simple, contemporary version of basics such as pots and planters are on the expensive side, while mainstream, affordable manufacturers lean towards the traditional, ornamented and detailed. When getting started, the question is clear. How do you section and divide your yard to create compelling modern space? The possibilities are endless, and while this fact can be comforting to some, it is overwhelming to others. How do you design an entire lawn and garden in a stylish, purposeful way? Watch this video to get all your answers. Do not hesitate to bring in a landscape designer for this leg of the journey. There are plenty of other details that you can handle yourself, such as planters, edging and sculpture elements. Hope you like this video on modern landscape designs, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest. Link in the description. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here, and you can watch the next two videos that is suggested to you, and we'll meet again soon in the next one.